Welcome to Conceptual Learning Academy. Today we have most important MCQs on networking of computer science. Before starting today's video, I would like to request you to support us by like this video, comment in below section and share this video with your friends, and also subscribe Conceptual Learning Academy for more such like informative videos. Question number 1. Which layer of the OSI model is responsible for routing and addressing? Option 1, application layer. Option 2, physical layer. Option 3, network layer. Option 4, transport layer. The correct answer of this question is network layer. Question number 2. What is the most widely used protocol for data transfer over the internet? Option number 1, FTP. Option number 2, HTTP. Option number 3, SMTP. Option number 4, TCP/IP. The correct answer of this question is TCP/IP or IP. Question number 3. Which type of network connects computers and devices in a limited geographical area, such as an office building, school, or home? Option number 1, LAN. Option number 2, WAN. Option number 3, MAN. Option number 4, VPN. The correct answer of this question is LAN. Question number 4. Which network topology connects each device on a network to a central hub or switch? Option number 1, mesh. Option number 2, ring. Option number 3, star. Option number 4, bus. The correct answer of this question is star topology. Question number 5. Which protocol is used for sending email messages? Option number 1, FTP. Option number 2, SMTP. Option number 3, HTTP. Option number 4, TCP. The correct answer of this question is SMTP. Question number 6. Which device connects multiple networks together and routes data packets between them? Option number 1, router. Option number 2, switch. Option number 3, modem. Option number 4, hub. The correct answer of this question is router. Question number 7. Which network protocol is used for file sharing between computers? Option number 1, SMB. Option number 2, HTTP. Option number 3, TCP. Option number 4, SMTP. The correct answer of this question is SMB. Question number 8. Which type of network uses radio waves to connect devices within a limited geographical area? Option number 1, LAN. Option number 2, MAN. Option number 3, WAN. Option number 4, WLAN. The correct answer of this question is WLAN. Question number 9. Which layer of the OSI model is responsible for ensuring reliable data transfer between nodes on a network? Option number 1, physical layer. Option number 2, data link layer. Option number 3, transport layer. Option number 4, application layer. The correct answer of this question is transport layer. Question number 10. Which type of network topology connects devices in a mesh-like pattern with each device connected to multiple other devices? Option number 1, mesh. Option number 2, star. Option number 3, ring. Option number 4, bus. The correct answer of this question is mesh topology. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe Conceptual Learning Academy. Thank you.